How to play Fortnite without sound. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are trying to play Fortnite and prefer a quiet gaming experience, then you can absolutely play Fortnite without sound. And it's quite simple than you might think. The first thing you can do is to launch open the Fortnite game on your device and make sure that the volume key on your device is set to 0. Turn off your volume from the side menu of your device, and once you do that, you'll be able to play the game without any sound effect. But if you want to turn the sound effect off from your game settings, open up the Fortnite game and from the home screen or the lobby page, go to the upper right corner and tap on your profile picture. From the expanded menu, tap on the gear button from the top, and then from the top left, select the speaker icon, which is also known as the audio icon. Now it'll take you to the volume section of your game from where you can adjust the volume. If you want to turn off the main volume, which includes all of your music lobby, music for your game and your gameplay dialogues and so on, then you can turn off the main volume. Go ahead and slide it to 0 and click on apply at the bottom. And right after you do that, even if you turn on the sound from your device, you'll not be able to hear any background music or a sound from your Fortnite game. But if you want to adjust the other sound options such as dialogues, voice chat, then you can go ahead and adjust the volume from each options that you don't want. And that way you can also adjust the music or sound effect or even a voice chat volume from the menu. After you are done, tap on the apply button at the bottom to apply the settings, and then you can enjoy Fortnite in complete silence. So that is how it's done. Now you've learned how to play Fortnite without sound in just a few easy steps. Whether you prefer a quiet environment or just want to focus more, this setup gives you full control over your gameplay experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.